Hey everybody, April from Left Hook Creations again today, and we are going to do a dip. So I have a canvas that I'm not thrilled with, so I'm going to reuse it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my paint down on here and all my colors and all that good stuff, and then I'm going to pop this in it and squish it down and then lift it up, and it should be cool. So hopefully it will be cool. I don't know. I don't really have a plan yet for this particular painting. So we will see how cool it actually wants to come out. So first I'm gonna just kind of mark where my canvas edge is so that I can get that out of the way. And I kind of think I want to do a white background this time. So, yeah, I think I'll do white. So I don't really have a plan for this. I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do, but we'll see. I'm just going to lay down a whole bunch of paint and see what happens. Okay. I don't have a clean spatula either, isn't that terrible? So I have a few colors I want to use today, and I'm hoping they'll turn out good. We'll see. So I wanted to do some blues. I don't use blue all that often. I'm just not a big blue kind of person, but I figure why not? I'll try some blues out today and we'll see how it goes. And hopefully it comes out good. So I'm going to be using, this is ultramarine blue, I think. I don't remember what brand or color name this one is, but it's a lighter blue. And then I have my regular green and a nice like bright green for some contrast. And then I may also use black. And I have, this is antique copper. It's beautiful and I can't wait to use that. And then this is a bright metallic red that I just mixed up. So hopefully that one comes out good too. That should contrast really nice with the blue. All right. I don't know if I want to do like flower shapes or I don't know what I want to do. I think maybe we'll just kind of wing it. Why not? Winging it's fun, right? Yeah, why not? We're just gonna wing it. So if you like my colors and you think they're good choices, as I lay them down here, go ahead and give my video a thumbs up here. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you're new here or you just haven't subscribed yet for whatever reason, I won't hold it against you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. think we're ready for the dip. This is one of those paint wasting things too. So what you can do is you can do, actually before I dip, I want to do this. So there's quite a bit of air bubbles in some of this paint. I just mixed some of this paint, so yeah, as you can see, lots and lots of air bubbles. Okay, but what you can do is do multiple canvases with one setup. All right, let's line this guy up. And okay, we're in. And then gently, you're gonna want to kind of make sure that everything is pressed down. I'm not pressing hard at all, but I wanna make sure all parts of the canvas touch the paint. So I'm trying to cover my bases here. And if I have a ton of paint left over, I'll just grab another canvas and plop that in there. Then there's the other part of this where it's, do I lift straight up? Do I lift up at an angle? You know, what do I do with this? So I think because of the direction I had the paint kind of going in, I'm going to lift that way just to kind of keep that direction moving that way, and we'll see if that looks good or not. So I think, I'm nervous. This is the nervous part because I can't see what's on the other side. I think I'm going to do it. Okay, here we go. And my canvas is not covered. Crap. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lay it right back down, and I'm gonna make sure this time that it's covered. That was really pretty though. I feel like you can kind of tell where you go. I still missed spots. Ugh. That's all right. So let's see. I'm gonna do this because I want to kind of try to cover my edges. Without dropping this all the way back in the paint. Oh guys, I forgot my gloves. I didn't put my gloves back on. Stupid me. I'm not happy. I am not happy with this. I don't know why this is not covering all the way. But remember when I said you can use more than one canvas on this? That's why I'm able to just kind of slap it back down and dip it back in. Because there's just a lot of paint there. Oh, that's better. Ooh, that's much better. I like that a lot. Okay. Yeah, that's super pretty. And it's going to create its own cells, especially the points that have copper in it. Those are really going to do that. Metallics, I don't know why, but they just are like super cell creators. I'll have to touch up my edges a little bit, but I don't want to tip this to the side too much. All right, let me set that aside for a second. And you know what? You can even add more paint in if you wanted to do like another canvas. You can do that. do a second one. Maybe this one will come out a little bit better. Oh, very hard to do. I love it. Look at those cells just pop up. I'm not even doing anything. That's so great. Oh, and as you can see, there's still a ton of paint here that can be used if you wanted. So, let's see. I might clean this up and come back. Okay, we're back. So I'm going to bring over the first one that I did. I want to kind of look at it. It's developing some really cool, interesting things. And I may even like that's a little too much, but that's okay. So that was the first one. I'm actually really liking this second one even better. And the paint is not really moving down the sides like at all. So I may just not do the sides. And then if any drips while it's drying, I might just paint it white later. Now there's one spot here. This is canvas. That's not paint, and I will definitely want that to be painted. Now what I could have done before I scraped this all into a cup was kind of scoop some up. You could also squirt some white down there, whatever kind of floats your boat. I'm gonna just kind of mix this in so that it looks a little more like it naturally happened. There. Yeah, I'm loving the fact that there's nothing on the sides of this. Okay. So let me bring you down for a close-up. So here's painting number one. Hopefully I can do this without getting too much into the light. And hopefully I can get this to focus. Come on, camera. There we go. A little bit in the light, I'm sorry. I'm also trying to not to lean over my painting that's down here below it. So this one is I really like this black area here. That came out fantastic. And here's the second one. I'll show you the sides. So this side has just a little bit where it's dripping a smidge, but for the most part it's not much is falling off the edges, so I'm hoping that will just stay that way. If not, I'll just paint white, whatever does end up dripping. Look at this. Look at it. It's so pretty. And this red, oh. It's such a light red that it's pink. This came out beautifully. I love how the colors mixed right here, these greens and blues. All right, so there's number one. And here's number 2. So both a little bit of abstract. Like I said, if I had made like a flower shape, then you would kind of know what that looked like. But otherwise, yeah, it's just gonna end up, you can literally, like for this one, I just squirted paint all over the place and it worked out. And now for the sneak peek of my, I didn't do a video for this, but check this out. This is my Halloween board that's drying nicely. And I poured this, and about 2 hours later I came back and I saw this. These 2 cells had popped up in this black spot and it looks like a little ghost. So this is my Halloween board that I'm really excited about. I can't wait till that dries. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.